Press it.
Which button?
Listen,
Red button.
No, you're gonna mess up the video.
Is there a self-destruct button on his camera? How cool would that be?
Listen.
I push it, the thing blows up like a grenade.
Listen to this. I'm doing back today. I'm doing rhomboids, latissimus dorsi, rhomboids and latissimus dorsi. I'm doing high volume training, 12 to 15 repetitions.
This is like the 10th take Jason and I have had with his camera. It keeps processing.
The last 10 minutes, he hasn't lifted a single.
Yeah.
Because we're trying to figure this stupid thing out.
Well, Jason keeps.
What's more important, video or lifting?
I'm lifting, but I gotta figure this out. I gotta.
What's more important, video or lifting? As Chuck is like sitting here half asleep on the.
Yeah, at least I called it. I walked in and said I ain't doing much today.
You ain't doing much. I'm at least doing something.
I've already done more sets than you have and more reps, dude. I don't know what you're talking about.
So Jason,
The truth, buddy.
Jason and I are having a little debate. He keeps blaming me for the camera, and sadly, I don't have a retort because Jason just walked around the whole gym testing the camera out, filming and recording, and it did not start rendering the video on its own. Nate filmed a video with Jason at that place with all those chicks, a 20-minute long video, and
it worked.
And it worked. I grabbed the camera and start recording, and 2 minutes into it, it starts rendering the video, and it happens every time Jason and I film on his camera. So,
All right, let's do the,
I'm thinking maybe my gloves smell so bad, it's
odor eaters. All right.
it's ruining his camera. Again. No, I have to do a set.
One more.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Come on. Pretend you're Harvey at the Christmas party.
Harvey, yeah!
How is Harvey? Is he all right?
Yeah.
Still got to get him that gym membership, Jason.
Yeah, I promise.
So what are you going to do? You're just doing the same weight over and over and over?
Yep.
High reps?
High reps, high volume training until you puke.
Or until you just quit and sit in the sauna. Either or.
Come on!
Whichever works.
Again.
How many reps was that?
10. Go again. 10 more. Till failure. 10. Vomit.
Again. Come on.
Egg me on, baby. It's a bitch.
Go.
Again. Look like an idiot. A schmo. We're doing rows.
Jason, your cameraman is man enough to admit when he's wrong. I think it may have been human error with your camera after all. Because I'm holding it the way you told me to hold it, and now it's working.
We're doing rows today.
A little humble pie being served to Jason's cameraman this morning. Anytime, Jason. What was your famous line? I'm a good humble man.
I'm a good humble man.
Well,
Humble as pie.
so's your cameraman. Most of the time.
Come on. Ain't nothing.
Get it, fatty.
Jason, remember the video we did with the personal trainer with the dreadlocks, and he's calling you out?
Yeah.
And you go, you're wrong, hater. Remember that?
Yeah.
That's what you have to say to me for the way I was holding your
You're a
camera.
hater for holding the camera.
You're wrong.
You're fired.
Oh, you promise? So please say it again.
You're
We have
fired.
this on camera. All right, Chuck, here you go. I'm out. Put the camera down.
Quick process.
It was just a joke. It was just a joke because you're holding the camera. You're humble as pie. I'm sorry. Humble as pie. Humble as pissing pie.
Humble pissing pie. I think I'll pass.
Piss pie.
I'll pass on a slice of that.
It's pee.
Maybe Lenny might like a slice. Come on, go. High volume, go. Go, don't stop. Go. Go again. At least 12.
You gotta back up so you can get that entire fucking disgusting fat body in the picture.
People like close-ups of his facial expressions, Brad. Yes. We done? For now?
70.
Go again. Go again. Go again. Go again. Go. Go. Go.
Come on.
Pull it. Pull it. Pull it.
Sick.
He's breathing heavy. I like it. Get that negative. Slow, slow, slow. Down. Slow, slow, slow. There you go. Control that weight. Slow. There you go.
How Not to Lift by Jason Genova. Gotcha.
I'm putting in the effort today. You can't say bullshit shit.
Doesn't matter.
Quaker oatmeal.
Once putting in effort once a month doesn't fucking
Every
count.
day last since I've been dying. Shut up.
Put in the effort to eat more and train less.
Shut up. Goddamn hater. I'm gonna put some hater soap down your fucking mouth.
You only lift when the fucking camera's up.
To be continued on the Delray Misfits channel.
Fucking hater.
No, this is Jason's camera. Mine's black. Yeah, that's why it looks different. Come on, Jason.
Fuck. Shut up, pussy.
Where's that lunk alarm? We need a lunk alarm in this gym.
Shut up. No lunk alarm. Peace out, Brad. Hey, listen, Brad.
Someone's got a message for you, Brad.
These reps are for you, Brad. You pussy. These
Good,
reps
so
are
you're
for
gonna do some real weight. Good.
Yes, I am.
Go ahead. Run over there, you animal. Go.
Brad reps. Brad reps. Brad rep 1. Brad rep 2. Come on, Brad rep 3. Off of the hater. Brad rep 4. 5. 6. Brad rep. 7. Brad rep. 8. Brad rep. 9. Brad rep. Haters. Kiss my ass. Yep. Pissed. I'm mad now. Never got me so angry in my life.
Jason's pretty pissed this morning, actually.
Yep. Everybody doubting me. Hater reps. Brad reps. Brad rep 1. Hater rep 2. Brad rep 3. Hater rep 4. Brad rep 5. Hater rep 6. Brad rep 7. Hater rep 8. Brad rep 9. Hater rep 10. Brad rep 11. Hater rep 12. All for the haters and all for the Brad reps.
Everyone around the world's gonna start doing Brad reps now.
Let's get it sick. Down with the sickness, 180 like it's nothing. Come on, all for my haters. Come on.
Control that negative.
It's piss. Actually, it's better form for that amount of weight. It's pretty good form for that amount of weight. It's pretty heavy, actually. So it's... Shut up. All right, listen.
Yeah.
We're going to call this a video. It's a wrap.
Yeah.
Doing my workout. Had a good workout this morning.
Why don't you and Brad give me a dance? Brad, get in there.
He doesn't want it.
Do the Brad shuffle.
Look at the camera. There's the monkey prey.
Peace out.
Peace out. Bye.